Sankarshan is always worshipped through Lord Shiva. Because Lord Shiva is always absorbed in meditating upon Sankarshan. One who worships Lord Shiva as a devotee of Sankarshan can be released from a false ego. This is the statement of A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada.
Yeah.
So we are worshipping Lord Shiva as a devotee of Sankarshan. Sankarshan is Krishna. Bhagavan Sri Krishna is expansion. Therefore, Lord Shiva is offered the Mahaprasad of Krishna, which you may have noticed. First we offer to Giridhari, or to Krishna, and then we offer to Radharani, and then we offer to Lord Shiva, the Mahaprasad. And we don't offer him goat's heads or lamb's, quarters or anything. We or chops, lamb chops. We we offer him sweets and chapan bhog and kachoris and sweets and fruits and these things, which Krishna also likes. So, because a devotee likes whatever Krishna likes, and Krishna likes so many wonderful sattvic things, so then we offer those sattvic things to Krishna, sattvic ahar, and then we take the sattvic bhog, which becomes Mahaprasad. We honor it. So this is very encouraging words of our Guru Maharaj, or your Param Guru. One worships Lord Shiva as a devotee of Sankarshan. If he does that, he can be released from the material false ego. So that certainly is our desire. Become free from this illusory identity of combining this soul with the body, or thinking that I am the body. This is our cause of all our problems. And different philosophers try to agree, yes, the body is the source of problems, so annihilate the body, merge in Brahman. This is a Buddhist or Mayavad concept. But our concept is a little different.